Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, February 10th. This is not a repeat video. This is brand new. Everyone in Arizona and California and Florida and everybody was asking me to do another one. I feel like one of those reporters out in the hurricane, you know, where they're hanging onto a pole getting blown around. I started outside today because David's still sleeping. But as you can see, guess what? It's snowing here again in Virginia. We're actually under a blizzard warning. The winds are crazy. All this snow, you can tell the winds are crazy. Look at the windows are all covered. I can't zoom on here. But I'll go out to the street. You can kind of look at that iced up. Look at the ice. That was where I had taken the picture. It's like a winter wonderland. This mound I've shoveled once, but there's all these drifts. I don't know if it's coming out on the video. Oh my lord. Okay, everyone knows how much I love snow. I've seen enough. But here we go. I'm in the middle of the street, which you can't really tell because it's white out. And it's windy, hence the blizzard warning. Woo! It is crazy. Everything is closed. Even our office is closed. No mail, no trash. We're supposed to take that back in. I noticed. You can see the street here. Maybe you can hear the wind. Good morning. I'm taking a video. Crazy. Don't lose your dog. The howling. She thought I was taking a picture. That was nice of her. Taking a video for you people. And this time, Rhode Islanders, your way. Woo! As you can see, that might have gave you a little. I whipped around. It wasn't me, it was the wind. And like my mom says, she knew I'd be out here doing this because she knows I'm a weather pro. But it is a little nuts. I had a cloud today, as you can see. And I just saw they're watching the potential for another accumulating snow on Monday. I wonder what we did to piss Mother Nature off. Anyway, it really is beautiful. Earlier when I was going to come out, you couldn't even see the houses across the street, so it comes and goes, the visibility. And this, again, you can kind of tell it's snowing at a pretty good clip. And it's supposed to snow on and off until 7 o'clock. So we might have another buried car. The mounds are just huge. They expect up to 10 feet drift. I don't know if this stuff's ever going away. I hope this is coming out in the video, but you can tell with the wind. Look at that drift. Well, maybe you can't, but that's the back of David's truck, and there's a drift probably, I don't know, up to above my waist. It drifts all the way down the street. And again, we just shoveled out from almost 30 inches the other day. They say never thought I'd say only about a foot here in Virginia. I think our landscaping is going to have to be replaced. The sides of houses, everything's just covered. Alright, I'm going back in. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.